Ladies and gentlemen, I have to be on my best behavior. There's a gentleman here with a machine gun. Yes, he's guarding these planes. These are some of our special stuff here. I'm sure he's got that gun loaded. He's got a sidearm too. These are some of Boeing's special planes. It says on their danger ejection seat. If you look over here, you got a fighter jet. It looks like a transporter. Another big one. They got the engine controls on that one. And look at that thing up there on top. That's Brad Whitney, the Bradley engines. Selling all kinds of stuff here. The military selling stuff. That thing is just an absolute beast. Let's see what they say about this Boeing here.